A short review of coffee press Espro. It's to make French style coffee. I just got this. They sent me like a package, so I never even opened. So I'm opening to see how it is. This is P3, which is basically for 3 cups. Packaged like that. Let's see what's inside. Inside only one thing. There is nothing in the box. That's quite big actually. I was thinking 3 cups, is that enough or not? I think it's good. So it looks like that, quite big. That's all I need. Now, why I bought this? Because it has filters. You see on the bottom. Because other French press, they don't have that kind of style. You see. So basically, this will allow me to have basically this kind of fine filtered. This filter, even one is good. So basically, filtered coffee. I think even one good. I don't need even 2 filters. Or if you really want super filtered, then you use 2. Otherwise, it's very fine. So it looks kind of a little bit simple, but it's alright. Okay, now it has certain holder and container. Somehow it says about locking. Oh, it has a thing. See. So to lock, it's close to the handle. So it's holding. So basically, you need to point. You see the handle. Like that. Okay, so later I will try. So this is French style press Espro coffee French press 3, basically. And they tack on the back different instructions. So let's see about the coffee. So I would say that coffee press is okay. I was using one filter because one filter looked like you know, like the filter, I had bigger one that you can use many times for normal drip coffee. So my one filter looked like drip coffee filter, so I decided to go with one, and it's kind of hard to push. You need to really push. I don't complain about pushing, but I think the top is too loose, because when you push, the top piece is kind of loose. To me, it should be more tight. Or I need to buy maybe some kind of silicone ring or something. To me, it should be tighter than that. But overall, look fine. So I'm waiting right now. I could drink right now, but it's too hot. So after I press, I just wait until like temperature is okay. And I was using 200 Fahrenheit temperature, because I was reading about coffee brewing. They say it's better like 195 to 205, which is below boiling temperatures. So when I was using temperature below boiling, because I want to try that kind of style with lower temperature. And I know like Turkish coffee, they use lower temperature too. They use temperature before the boiling. So this is after the boiling, but I am actually, I had to wait a little bit for the boiling water temperature to go down. So I'm waiting right now. Let's see the taste. Anyway, I did try the taste, and it tastes like, for some reason, like Starbucks. I think they use lower temperature too. So the taste is good, but what I can say, it's better to have two filters, not for really purpose of filtering, because with one filter is still good. But if you put second filter, when you push that thin plunge, right? When you push it with two filters, it will go further. Because with one filter, I pressed until the end, and I see a lot of, not a lot, but some coffee there, which is, I believe it can be pressed more if you have two filters. Basically, you press more. Otherwise, with one, it would be like some coffee left there. But overall, I think it's good. I don't really need to go to Starbucks. I can make by myself. I used Colombian coffee. Many times I like Colombian or Sumatra. So I like either. I think Sumatra is called Tiger or something like that. So I buy sometimes Sumatra at I think Vaughn's and Trader Joe. You can buy Sumatra. So anyway, I do like sometimes Asian, sometimes South American. Sometimes I did buy like, I believe Costa Rica. It's pretty good too. I think some other brand. I think it's called Lava. It's Italian brand, but I'm not sure where they're getting. It says Arabica beans, so I do like that. So anyway, but honestly, I think it's pretty good. I think a little bit different than drip coffee, because drip coffee, I think it's temperature around boiling temperature, but this one I can control by myself. So next time I might try even less, like 195, because Turkish coffee is kind of like, I think 190 or something like that. So this was with 200, around 200. Anyway, it's not bad. The only wish I would have is the top lid will not be so loose, because when you push, it's going left and right. I think a little bit too loose. It should be more kind of thicker, the plastic, and wider. Anyway, it's okay. Have fun, bye.